Welcome to my YouTube channel. As a learner of Igbo language, the word day has different Igbo word for it. Okay? In Igbo language, the centralized way of saying the word day is Ụbọchị. O-bo-o-chi e Ụbọchị. The vowels are dotted. Okay? Now, in some other dialects, we have the word day as Ụbọsị. Ụbọsị. Notice the difference between the centralized one and the dialect. The centralized one has CH, the dialect has S. So, Central Igbo, Ụbọchị, dialectal variation of it, Ụbọsị. Alright, also mean day. Another way also to say day in Igbo is ehi, which is my dialect. So I can say in Igbo, kedụ ga-abịa. Now, it is not ehi cow, no. Ọbụghị ehi, it is not ehi cow. The same spelling, different tone and different meaning. Ehi, okay? So, kedụ ga-abịa? Which day will you come? Kedụ Ụbọsị ga-abịa? Which day will you come? Kedụ Ụbọchị ga-abịa? Which day will you come? Some other speakers of Igbo language will use the word efi. Okay? I think some dialects in Oka, I've heard a couple of people from that side use the word efi. Alright? The next one is Mbọsị and Mbọchị. All means day. So I can say, kedụ Mbọsị ga-abịa? Which day will you come? Kedụ Mbọchị ga-abịa? Which day will you come? All of these things translate to day in Igbo language. I believe there are more of them out there that I didn't touch today. Let me know if there is another way you represent the word day in your dialect. I still remain your favorite Igbo language teacher. Daalụ.